Hey guys, welcome back to the garage. I'm going to try to put together a little box for my bench tester. So I bought some new Amazon Basics tin snips, hashtag not responsed, of course. Alright, now I've drawn out, I don't know if you can be able to see it, but I've drawn out some quick plans here. Side flaps. The idea is to just make a quick box, fold these sides up, with little ears on the side, which I'll drill small holes and then rivet through. Keep in mind that this sheet metal can just slice you apart, so let's get started. Super sharp. Yo, people who do this for a living, man props. Into the sheet metal machine. See if we can just flatten this out. figure out these dog ears. Let's try some compressive force. There's no way I'm gonna be able to fit the battery in this. Ready for the moment of failure? What? That's not right. It fits. Unbelievable. Whoa. Youch, that's painful. That's even worse. Okay. Now I can make a top that will cover this.
Who I am, I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. Yeah, you ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man, I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing, I just do what I was destined. Cause I feel I got the blessing, persistence and obsession. That's how you keep progressing, I already learned that lesson, yeah. I'm changing who stop what's moving. I'm changing my life and I won't look back ever again. No fear, see clear, you deserve to be great. I know it feels like things get in your way. Push through those walls and the others will fall. Sit up, stand tall, you can get through it all. I need some energy, anxiety's no friend to me. I have a short memory, I don't really remember things. That's how I move on, that's how I stay strong. A new day's on, I'll keep moving right along. And I feel like the pain in the past, it needs to stay in the past. You gotta take off the cast. I wanna feel like I'm a new person. I wanna have clear vision and purpose. And I feel like the pain shouldn't last. If you can move on and past the things that make you feel bad, and you can change in your brain.
If I get through this project without slicing myself up, it'll be pretty amazing. There's be enough room for the switch. You know what? I'm gonna put a pin in this for today. I don't want to work on the car a little bit. I'm considering this a failure, but it's pretty cool nonetheless. You know, it's made from a couple rivets and a sheet of galvanized. It is a death trap. There is burrs everywhere, so I will hit those with a rasp and probably rubberize the corners somehow. But yeah, I'm done with this for today. I think this was fun, but also a little dangerous. Hope you all enjoyed watching me fail hard on this. Maybe my next box will come out better. This thing is a death trap.